Welcome to Shubham's birthday trip in London. My favorite and dream brand, House of CB. The reason why I came to London in the first place are literally these dresses and the corsets that they have at House of CB. I can't wait to show you. Oh my god, I can't wait to try that on. Yes. The holiday fat. This is the place for breakfast, and I saw someone really cute sitting right there. Myself some green juice. Everybody, this is our first day in London. Technically we arrived yesterday, and today the plan of action is to go to Oxford Street to complete some shopping. We're having some spinach, tomatoes, mushroom, avocado and toast coffee, finished a bowl of muesli and everything in between. But we'll keep you updated with what our plans look like for the rest of the day. Ciao! I don't know if you can tell that it is cold, and me stepping out in my gym shorts, literally from the vibe, this entire set is not the best decision when people are buried in coats behind me. But this is our location. This is where we're staying. This is where we checked into last night. This is mainly because of the central primary location. We have the Radisson there, we have Oxford Street, we have all the theatres, a lot of musicals and a lot of things to do around here. So can't wait to just live and not travel, because we've been to London a couple of times before this. So this trip is just about living in London and not traveling to London. Thank you. Same view in the morning, what you saw in the night. This part about the toilet seat is that it is heated and it has these rare front dryers, water sprays, and honestly, Japanese technology taking over. Both the devices are charging. I have finished my makeup, a little bit of blush, which is a beetroot tint. I know it looks like I'm tan right now, but trust me, in this gloomy weather we do need a little bit of like color to bring to our faces and in our lives, and I hope my vlog can do just that and take you around in London like a local and not like a traveler. So hey, I just realized there's a mirror in what? Absolutely love the change of outfit. This is giving so much more grit. Added like a maroon lip tint from Huda Beauty, which is a lip liner.
No, ऐसे नहीं होता.
Shubham, my
नहीं, take it there, take it there.
wearing my aloo socks. It's a nice song.
आप डालो ना, आपको कौन?
ठीक है, हम डालें ना. ठीक.
तो अपना डालो ना.
नहीं, तुम्हारे से डालूंगी तो तुम्हारा.
My brother is
अरे ऐसी तो मुझे वीडियो में नहीं रहना. कहाँ जाऊँ बैठूँ मैं?
sorry, you are part of a content for your family now.
नहीं, Yashika, don't put all this online. मैं पहले ही बोल रहा हूँ.
तो मैं अपना थोड़ा.
हाँ, because मेरा reach.
मेरे को 10 मिनट देना.
I think this lighting is pretty cool.
Hello, Yashita from the future. While editing this, I don't know why you couldn't hear me, but I was wearing basically like a warmer inside of the top, which I later on in the day removed because I was also wearing a turtleneck and my favorite ear pendant. This skirt, which was from Massimo Dutti, and these stockings that I actually bought in London.
The sun is out and about, and I feel like I'm in New York because that was the last international destination I went to before Dubai in April.
Something about the first day of every trip, and the glow basically on your face lasts only till half a day, but we enjoy it while we can.
No. अरे कोई धूप नहीं रहेगा.
And as you can see, the Chinese Chinatown. But right now I need to go to the washroom, which is why I am jaywalking a little bit, crossing the road and getting back to Urban Outfitters. Pull&Bear, Zara is not going to happen, and we're only going to stick to Bershka. I couldn't find the cargos I really wanted, the green ones, because they tore during a dance class when I was doing Shahzan's dance class, and I just hope to find cargos on this trip. I really need loose pants. I think it needs.
No, there you go, it's all done.
This is not true, but it does cinch you up pretty well. Outfit number 3.
Can you double check for a Lucian red, the maxi one, in a size small for me, please?
Fully makes me look like an Indian bride, so we're gonna avoid this. But it is lovely nevertheless. Or
Do you want it tight?
yeah, if I think this is an extra small, or is this a small?
This is a small, it does come up for a small.
Okay.
We can try medium for you as well.
Shorter one that you saw, I've unzipped this dress. It does look beautiful because it's longer, but I prefer the shorter one simply because it looks more fun. This just, I don't know, gives me a little auntie vibe. I don't know.
Okay.
Thank you. It is a little too short, you're right.
But I do really like it.
The color?
The colour and the style of it is really...
Altered from the waist?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you find that the rest of the medium is very comfortable, just alter the rest. Okay. There you go, honey.
Thank you.
Kim receiving.
Need 2 people to put this on. Talking to mom, she's on her way because you cannot hold on. The dress she is suggesting I get because it's a rose gold and it is. Mama, all dresses are tight. Is the reason House of CB exists. There is just 1,000 cottagecore dresses. You'll go mad. I don't know, I didn't like it. Length the color is also kind of dull.
Color no dull. Who told you dull?
I think it's not that pretty. It has a very different neckline. But is this a defective piece? What do you think? This is supposed to look like. Everyone liked this dress. Like a lot of people in the trial room, mom, Shubham, but I'm not feeling it. And I don't know why, but this is एकदम दोस्ताना में जो प्रियंका चोपड़ा पहनती है वैसा. And now I've decided on 3, out of which 2 mom doesn't like, but I really want to get them anyways.
मैं छाता नहीं लाई, तुम ही लाई, पकड़ो.
ठीक है ना? Jeez. अंदर है देखो. Spent 40,000 getting those 3 things, but I really don't know what it feels like we are in New York only with the juices, the cap, and the. It's evening now, and mom is still at the Adidas store. Now I think I'm.
भैया इधर आना था मुझे कार लगी में हो.
In Selfridges on the 3rd floor, and we're gonna be trying the Nike into Skims collection that has literally just dropped. You know, the store is literally my weakness. I was wearing that top literally today morning. You saw me at breakfast. But this is the acting section at Selfridges, and we are taking you finally to the loungewear of Miss Kylie Jenner. We have basically this entire floor dedicated. It's literally at 5 p.m. and we're closing early now.
This is what makes me happy. This is what makes me happy.
A clean
I
room.
like cleanliness and minimal. कुछ भीड़ भड़कता नहीं. आपका रूम ऐसा होगा ही नहीं. इतना बकवास पड़ा था ना वो जाके का पिक्चर है.
Mom bought this top and Shubham bought this
This is not
jacket.
good. Good.
Spirit of a rebel.
और साइज भी मेरा ये लार्ज है.
तो मैं नहीं चोरी करूंगी, रिलैक्स।
पापा चोरी कर
It's good actually. घर से लाया था.
तो कल
But I
मैं
can give it because now in front of these this is nothing.
और हम लोग वेस्ट है क्या?
फिर देखो किसको आता है.
हम लोग
कौन सा ब्रांड
The rest of the
है?
trip
हाँ
is
हमें आदिदास दो, तुम लो नॉर्थ
See,
फेस।
see, wear it at least. निकाल के.
कल यही पहनना है।
बबली पहन लेगी।
तो ये
बबली
देखो,
पहनती है
फिर मेरा जगह भी हो गया.
ये भारी नहीं है।
This is a very nice jacket. I actually like it. और मैंने आज तक पहना नहीं है इसको.
क्या तुम्हें नहीं फिट आता क्या?
भारी
It's a new jacket.
हाँ तो
मुझे भी पसंद
ये
है.
हल्का है मेन इसके
Now I
लिए
won't choose to wear this. It's a- ये मुझे लग रहा है यशिता पे अच्छा लगेगा.
नहीं मेरे पे
मेरे पे सब अच्छा लगता है। ओके
ये तुम्हारे ये करो, मैं यहाँ पर कैची भी नहीं है मेरे पास।
ऐसे भी सब लिखा है।
पहन के देखो, है तो लाइट।
हाँ तो कल पहन लूंगी। अच्छा वो आलू नहीं लाया जो शुभम का था घर से हम।
टांगने का अच्छा चीज है.
तो सभी चीजें
I wish
We don't
ऐसे ही
want to
घर
shop
पे रख
this.
पाए. तो ये सब खराब ही
तो
नहीं.
तुम्हारे घर पे इतने कपड़े जगह की रहती तुम ही
जाके घर पे जाके ढूंढते हैं.
नहीं होता है खराब। शुभम ये कौन बोला ठूसने से खराब होता है? ये तुम लंदन
Drop a
में
like, drop a
London
like
में
right
नहीं
now and comment what you liked and what dress I
लंदन
should
में
have
नहीं
gotten
रहता है,
instead.
जो लंदन में रहता है,
Okay,
उनके टंगते हैं।
but I
तुम वो
anyways
पहनो तो
purchased.
पहनो।
Okay, so next trip to London or import duty if you really feel like I need that particular item. ये ऊर्जा मैंने ले
No, the
ली।
fit is not the same.
कोई नहीं।
इंग्लिश में क्यों झाड़ रहा है सडनली वीडियो चालू हुआ तो? हाँ
मुझे
हाँ
नहीं
हाँ
पता
हाँ।
बेटी.
अच्छा
ये
अच्छा
सब
मुझे
जाएगा नहीं
मुझे
online.
पता नहीं, मैं सामने दिख नहीं रही हूँ कि मैं वीडियो चालू है।
उसको सूट हो रहा है मुझे.
ऑफ कोर्स मुझे। शुभम तुम बहुत ही डम्बो लग रहा है। यू आर लुकिंग लाइक अ एस्किमो।
एक्चुअली अब छोटा लग रहा है मुझे.
नहीं
फिट
छोटा
नहीं हो
नहीं
रहा है,
है।
टाइटिश
in the
लग रहा है
mind.
मुझे.
टाइट लग
वो
रहा
वाले लूज थे, ये टाइटिश
I bought
लग
these
रहा
track pants from Bushka today.
है. I think ये यशिता के लिए बेटर है.
यशिता में बहुत है जो और भी है वहाँ पे।
I don't like this hood also.
नहीं पर लाइट है।
Keep it. Yours.
ये तो हाँ थेपला है ना।
मम्मा लेट्स शो देम
ज्यादा लोगों को शो नहीं करना।
अरे पर मुझे मेरी YouTube फैमिली को दिखाना है। This is that very big bag from House of CB. उसमें से this is Vadi Mummy is given back from Japan when she went to Japan, which has helped and saved us today.
It is easy to carry.
Yes, because this is the caps we brought from Dubai and New York each. This is Mama's only item that she purchased. Do you want to show them?
No.
I think you should show them.
No, it's a plain top. Please
It's,
don't.
it's
Nothing.
very basic.
It's a basic top. I
Because
like normally basic.
I don't know why she likes
But I
claustrophobia,
like.
but it has borders. So Massimo Dutti for the win after what she got. This is a top I got from Bershka, which I loved. It's turn around right now, but it's a corset and I really liked it. Secondly, I got these pair of, what is this? When did I buy this? शॉपिंग करो तो इतना करो कि भूल जाओ कब। ये मेरा नहीं है, मम्मी का है, मैंगो का टॉप। Okay, mom bought another top from Mango.
Both the same color.
got, and I am ecstatic because this dress is the dress of my dreams. It is so hot and I'm just in love. I'm just so happy that I found this and I never wanted to. This didn't go out of stock and it has my size, so I just need to shed a little few pounds or wear shape shifters when I want to wear this. This is the best thing I purchased today. It was about 100 pounds, but the other item that I got, which was extremely expensive, is like this dress that looks like a wedding dress, which I could, as per Shubham, I should have rented in Bombay, but in Bombay you don't have House of CB, so it is thereby essential for me to have one expensive purchase. Why is the sleeve detached? Okay, apparently the sleeve is detached. It was attached to the dress when I wore it, as you could see in the video, but it is so beautiful. It has this, like, I didn't find a corset today, but I found a corset dress. It is so long, it fits me exactly. It does have a slit at the back, which is a little risky, but we can get it stitched, is what the people at the shop said. And last but not the least, from House of CB, a little bit is still left, is this beautiful pink top. This is so pretty. Isn't this so pretty? I can wear this with like blue jeans, a skirt maybe. I think this skirt is well, and this beautiful. And the last thing that I think, when my brother was shopping at Puma for a Man City jersey, I just got something to help me, to inspire me to start high rocks training once my ankle gets better. So hopefully this sports bra helps me get fit. And that's all for today. That's all we shopped, although it did look like we spent the entire day shopping. We did. I went to Selfridges and I lost my mind, but I'm done shopping outerwear. I think now I just want to get my boots that are knee-high length boots, hopefully, and probably just flat footwear. And what else? Cargos.
Cargo.
Yeah, if I manage to get that.
And shorts, office wear.
But I don't go to office, Mama. Why do I need shorts? Ciao.
पसंद सच्ची
Disclosure.
बोलूंगी ये पसंद
But मुझे पसंद है.
नहीं पसंद है रुपया इतना महंगा लगा के तुम्हें महंगा चाहिए
But it looked good and I don't have something like this and I
ये
will
पापा
never
को
come.
नहीं पसंद है तुम फोटो खींच के पापा को बोल दो कल बदली करा लेना मैं अभी भी बोलती हूँ
Full disclosure, I am still slightly little careless because I left my wallet at Selfridges, but then I went and I got it back because
दोनों एक ही कलर हो गया खुशी का
I told you, you get
It's
basic
okay.
shit. Unlike me, who gets such unique stuff that no one else would dream of buying. But I have
हाँ मम्मी
been interrupted by Nani's call. But
हाँ बस
I'm obsessed
होते हैं
with
बस बच्चे
houses.
लोग यही थोड़ा शॉपिंग कर रहे थे ऑक्सफोर्ड स्ट्रीट घूम रहे थे
Also, I didn't shop anything at Alo or Gymshark. This is
नहीं भाई तो वो
If
भी
you
नहीं
know
कर
me, you
सकती
know.
थी क्या?